Thank you sa imong pangutana, no? Mm. So, yeah. Consultation, Doc, how much is your consultation? So, in general, consultation fee is less than your load sa phone. And we are answering questions on knee injury and ACL today. So, if you have any questions, you can chat in the comments below. Let me know where you are from and unsay pangutana ninyo. We'll try to answer as much as we can this evening. We're also getting questions from the chat group sa ACL Reconstruction Community Cebu. And our question next is from Arkham Blaze sa ACL Reconstruction Community Cebu. Doc, good evening. Ano po dapat gawin or therapy sa tuhod ko? Kasi na-twist sa basketball last 2022. Hanggang ngayon, masakit pa rin. Umiinom po ako ng vitamin B complex. So, ang knee twisting can mean a very serious injury. And yung vitamin B complex is usually for the nerves, not for the ligaments, tendons, or muscles. So, it may not be effective in helping you po, Sir Blaze, no? Sir Arkham. What you want to do is really do consult a doctor na duol sa imo or somewhere near you so that ma-assess if may ligament injury ba yung tuhod nyo. So, ano ba yung mga signs na may ligament injury? Firstly, during the time of the accident last 2022, did you hear an audible pop ni kuto